In this video, I show you how to fix WhatsApp keeps stopping problem on Android phone. For fixing this problem, check that your WhatsApp is up to date or not. For checking this, go to Play Store, search WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, up to date if available any update version. Now go to settings, then go to apps, then go to see all apps. Now search for WhatsApp, click on WhatsApp, click on force stop, click on OK. Now click on storage and cache, clear cache, and click on permission. Allow all permission one by one. Now restart your phone. After restart your phone, now open your WhatsApp. Now I hope that this method fixes WhatsApp keeps stopping problem on Android phone. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.